So how cool was that, taking that train that you guys did across country?
That was awesome. We totally want to do it again. Yeah.
That, I gotta admit, I'm re-interested to do that. I don't have to take it back, like I fly back.
Yeah. It's awesome because you can just sit and stare out the window and not worry about it.
We went from Chicago down to Los Angeles.
Yeah, Los Angeles. Yeah. On the Amtrak. Yeah.
And I think you guys are talking about East Coast somewhere, right?
Well, maybe. Yeah, something different.
We were looking at one
What are we doing, babe?
I've never been
Going
to
on the
Washington.
Durango Silverton. Sorry, we're going on the Durango Silverton train.
Yeah. Narrow gauge railroad. Yes, we should, but that's just hard to carry. So here's the train. This isn't our train. At least I don't think it is. Our car isn't in this bundle, but we got Timmy and Crystal. Hi. So we're going to take a 3.5-hour ride, 3.5-hour train ride up to Silverton, hang out in Silverton for a couple hours, and then it's a 3.5-hour ride back down here through the amazing mountains. So, and you don't be super cool.
It's going to be super cool.
It's gonna be awesome. Sorry, I thought I was ahead of you in here.
And then we kind of cut through the crowd.
The night sky.
I think.
Well, we can go up here. It's just gonna be a little harder. Okay, let's go there.
We're just checking passes.
Oh yeah. We get a neat little bag, but there's nothing in it. And they gave us water. How fun. Those some old cars there. Hey, it's the honey thing. Find the queen bee. Ooh, boy, we rocked it. Sounds like smoke.
Again, we kind of leveled out, so there's going to be some slack between the cars. They'll pull apart completely. Still normal. We'll be cautious. We'll be going slow for about 15 minutes. Right here. Okay, we're
We almost reached the rocks.
Tell you more about this guy in a little bit. River again. A few hundred feet away.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. It's over now. USA Today Motors. They
like in those spots where the rocks are on both sides, how deep does the snow usually get? How do you guys, do they just push it out of the way, or do you guys have a car to push
We
it?
have a big flanger locomotive.
I say, because you guys run all year, right?
Yeah,
Or
we go
most?
halfway in wintertime.
Yeah, Cascade. Wow. Yeah, they have zip line pack. You can get a four-wheeler. They got a four-wheeler thing where you can ride a four-wheeler and take the train and stuff like that. They have a few different packages you can do. So he said the max amount of cars for one engine is 12. Today we have 15 cars. So the steeper grades, they actually have two engines, steam engines hooked onto the front, which is really cool. Tank Creek. And we just stopped for water so they can put some water in. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Waterfall. See it, but this thing's rocking a lot. You can see the other car poking out over there. So they had a landslide here like 3 times. This is the runoff. This is like where they cleared the track off. They had the old part and then the new part, because they had like 3 times in the same spot. They've had a runoff and a landslide. Here you can see it came down that hill. It came down and totally covered the tracks, and then they had to dig it off and push it off to the side over there. Since we're going downhill, we don't need 2 locomotives. So the second one that helped pull us up went ahead before us so they could get back. And now we have 1 single locomotive pulling us back. Built in 1905.
Further up, where they cut them on the sides of the tracks. Still provides power to various places. Still has some room in the zipper.
It's a home.
17-year-old.
And the only way to get to it is by train.
There it is.
Home of power plant. They're having train problems with the diesel train somewhere ahead of us, which this is behind us. So somewhere up yonder, the diesel train supposedly is having problems, so we had to stop and wait for them. It's nice and quiet though without the train moving. So he said this used to be the zipliner people's car, right?
Yes.
Yes.
The zipliner, and that's what the Phoenix symbol was from.
The
Which is in the front of the back
zipliners
of it.
traded cars with them.
It's
Yeah,
got a time fuse.
you know what? That's a big chain. Look how much pressure this is, Tim. Look how much pressure that line is under.
Ooh, 90? 91?
I'm guessing that's brakes. That's probably air brakes. Now that I'm thinking about it. I thought maybe it was steam, but I'm thinking that might be air brakes. Well, we passed the train that was stuck on the side. He was in the siding, and we went by him, and all the passengers on the other train, half of them were waving at us, and half of them were going, "What the hell?" And we were just waving, being nice. Timmy! My, ain't that pretty out there. It's kind of hard to see.
What's the CW one called, Sam?
Mine ain't that pretty out there. Mine ain't that pretty up here.
This is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
More brewery. Right on the river trail. Welcome back to Durango, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thanks for your excitement. Thanks for all your questions. Your generosity. About 9 months left. Like to serve. When we get back, we're going to be on the opposite end of the yard where you got on this morning. Front court, big patios, usually live music. Fun place, love it. College Drive right downtown. Semi-fancy. Not too fancy, but I'm too fancy.
We don't want fancy.
Again, you don't got to move your vehicle out of the parking lot in the big lot, but parking meters are free out of the Only a few minutes late getting back. Really authentic Mexican food. You want to stay downtown for Mexican? Taco Libre. A lot of fun. Great stuff. And Steamworks, one of my favorite restaurants overall. Steamworks Brewery. Big place, big menu, awesome food. Big block off the main. Big job.
Thank you.
We're back, everyone.
Yeah, thank you. Yay.
Oh yeah.
Take your time. I'll get the front step open.
Yes, I saw it. When I looked up there, I was
Excuse me.
they work.
There you go. It's the Palace Grill and the Quiet Lady. Timmy, what did you think?
It was great. Loved it. Did it 35, 36, 7 years ago. I can't remember when I was a kid.
Really?
Paid attention more now. Did the longer one. Love it. Would love
Awesome.
to do it again.
Yeah, we'll do it again. I want to come stay at that hotel right there. Schaefer? That's like an old Trader. Yeah, that. Something like that. Babe,
Have that one.
what did you think?
I had a great day. It's a
Crystal?
blast. It was fantastic.
All right. Yay. Yes, it was fantastic. We had a great time. Scenery is beautiful. Train is fun. Isaac was our attendant. He was very cool. So it was a good day. Good day. Ah, look at it. There it is.
So they must have went in and did stuff to it.
Can't see it very good, but there it is. That's the one that's the one that was pulling us. Oh, that's the whole train. The moon. Half moon. It was a sliver when we were coming out here the other day. Cool sky. Well, we made it back to camp from
Well, you know,
our train over the crazy mountain passes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we're having chili.
Tomorrow's the biggest.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna
Big
do
old Black Bear Pass.
Yep.
And
Black Bear.
the trek's down 550
Oh. Well,
to
up.
Uray with the campers.
Oh yeah. From that's up. We're going north. Gotta go up and down.
Up and down.
Up and down. But we're going north, so that would be up the up and down, not
People
down
don't
the
like
up.
driving 550, much less just in a car.
There's parts where the road's crumbling over the edge. So, yeah.
No
and towing a
guardrails.
camper. And no guardrails. And like, I don't know, 500, 800 foot drops. Man, what the fuck? It's easy stuff, Maynard. And there's our chili. It's covered right now, but it's
Here's
all
some
right.
tinfoil.
Yeah, delicious.